The bottom staking toolbar is another way of cycling through your staking list. Notice how I can use the left and right icons, and it just cycles through and automatically highlights the point that I'm about to stake. And that's also a very handy tool for once you've finished staking one point, selecting the next one. So let's do an example here where I'll move closer to my destination point, and I'll pick on the measure button and I'll store a record of that point. And I'm going to save it regardless of the tolerance being exceeded. And now that that point is stored, we can pick on the left or right buttons to cycle through the list until we find another one that we want to stake. And if I turn off this feature to show the staked points, then it doesn't show me point 28, which I just staked before. Thanks for learning about the bottom staking toolbar with me.